Okay, let's use the loop. All right. So we're going to do. All right. So the goal is here. Generate numbers from 10, 9, 8, 1. Okay, that's what we're going to do. And as you see that this is a part of a task that is going to be very interesting. Okay, this is the right time um, to work with Zoom. Okay, so I'm here on the Zoom. All right, better I'll do after you take the test. All right, so general numbers starting from 10, 9, 8 up to 1. Okay, and as you see that this task is going to be uh, the most convenient way to do that is to set a loop. Okay, so we're going to set a loop. Right. So if we want to set up loop for this, we need to start with loop like this. The first number is going to be 10. Okay. What could be the next condition? Somebody can tell me?
Professor?
Mm-hmm.
Is it going to be n minus 1?
N minus 1. But I started with 10. And then, oh, okay. You're saying that it's going to be n minus 1. That means you're saying n?
Yeah. So that means that whatever value n holds, you will always get 1 taken away from it.
Yeah, there is a short version for this operator. That is n negative negative. So n plus plus is stepping up by 1, and minus minus is stepping down by 1. Right? And then what is the other condition? What is the limiting condition?
That once n is equal to 0, then the loop would stop.
Okay, and how I say that? Loop will stop when n equals 0, right? How I say that? N less than
10.
1.
1. So if I say n less than 1, then it's going to start with 10. It's going to be 9, 8. And it's going to be 2. And then it's going to stop at 2. Because I said n is, oh, no. It cannot be less than, so it's going to be greater than 0. Because you see the number is going to be like this. 10, 9, 8, 2, and then 1, and then it cannot be 0 because it has to be greater than 0. So it's going to stop here, right? Yeah. So n is greater than 0. Okay? Because you are using decrement operator. Okay? But is there order the right? Because first I said the initial condition and decrement operator and then the limiting condition. Okay. So let's see whether this order is perfect for C++ compiler. Then if you're going to do cout, I'm going to just print out n. So it provided a warning. So it can be compiled and executed even if there is a warning. Oh, okay, but it's not returning the right output. Okay, so what is the problem? Tell me, what are the possible recommendation I need to work with here?
Is it because you didn't instruct the system to print out n after one was taken from it?
Okay, the n is not here, right. Right. Okay, still giving warning, but warning is okay. And it is returning me the result, but it started from 9. Okay. It started from 9 and 8. Let me put a new line corrector and make sure. It started from 9 and it went up to 0, and that's not exactly what I want. So let's set it up the way we do. Okay. So we do that, we say that it starts from 10, and then n is gonna be greater than 0. Okay, and then n minus minus. So it's gonna be greater than 0, so it's gonna stop at 1, and it's gonna decrease 1 in every loop iteration. And exactly the program like that. So for the for loop, in the parenthesis, the program has a preference. First, you tell the initial value, and after that, you tell the limiting value, and followed by that, you tell the increment or decrement stepping, right? And it compiles perfectly. Okay?
That makes sense.
That makes sense. Okay. So now you think about and tell me, what if you want to print out numbers like, if you want to print out like 55 and then 50 and then 45, okay, and 10 numbers in this order, what modification you need to do? All right, I'm pasting this code. So you need to just modify this code in several ways. Okay? Think about how you can do that.
Okay.